how we can make a sleeper at home. Hello, I'm Adriana. Welcome to our channel. We're here with our little angel Benny and our beautiful Chinobi. And Hal of this channel, another Hal is my daughter Daniela. And today we had a really nice project. And the project, you will ask what I had to choose here. It's because we will make it a sleeper. Let's go in and start. Okay, this is a part of the materials we will need. We will need some fabric. We had leftover from one of the videos we made about the pillowcase, some felt, some clips, the beads, any paper you had, cardboard, regular paper, some batting, fabric scissors, paper scissors. This is a fabric marker, pencil, and any choose and the size you want to make. Can be for you or can be for somebody special to you. And this one is a partner for a board. Okay, we will start step by step. And what we do is trace the choose and the size you want. Here we had we trace the choose. We can marker maybe ½ inch around, and that one is because we need to sew in and we need that room for the choose. Now, how you see, this is the left side. This side will be the left side of the choose. Now we will cut, this is left side, and if we will turn, this one will be the right side. This is one part we will need, and now we're going to working in the top of the sleeper. For that we will need another piece of paper, and in order to know the measurements, we can fold it and we can place here. We will have in each size, this is 2.5 after we mark, because that one is what we get the room for the feet. After we mark those, we're going to meet with the end of the sleeper. Now we have right size, left size, and this one will be in the same way, right size and left size. If you want, you can make more small here. If you want, maybe fit little more, or if you need, you can adjust as well and make little more bigger. Now we had the left side, and this one will going in this way, and this one, when we turn the right side, this one will be the right side. Next step, we're going to cut one layer of the left side, one layer of the right side. This is the bottom of the sleeper, one layer left side, one layer for the right side. Okay, we have here everything is cut at this moment, and we had 4 layers, one is a fabric, felt, the baguette, and one more layer of fabric. This is a left side, right side with the same. You can do, we can make it just with the 3 layers. I like how the batten because I think so it's you had a more cushion when you walk. This is an indoor sleeper, something you can use it when you are at home. And now we're going to the machine and we're going to start sewing. Okay. We had here all the piece with the clips. You can put many clips or pins as you need. We're going to sew in all the piece. I will use the zigzag, but you can use it if you want use a regular machine, use a straight stitch, it's okay as well. Okay, let's see. This one looks really nice. I hope so you enjoy and you motivate to make your own. Yeah. I would like to use it one of the bags, and we can sew in here in the back, and after we will fold it right here. And now that we're sewing the 2 parts of the sleeper, we're going to mark the center right here, and we will do the same with another part. We mark here the center, and after we will put together. We have the center here, and we will put some clips, and to make easy to sew in, we just fold it here, and after that we will sew in from here to here, just around. Now we're going to sew in. We had all the clips in place, almost done, and it's this the way we look. And I made these little balls with a little pad because we are pet lovers. Now we're going to sew in the ball to the slippers. Okay, and now I like to pass the iron. We already placed the balls. They look so cute. Be patient with yourself. Learning always take time, but that's great. You had a motivation, even because you want doing something for yourself. This one can be a perfect gift. The holidays coming, and you can make something for your friends, somebody special for you, and take time. The first time, the second time, but how I said, no need to be perfect. What matters is the love and the dedication we put in them. And now we're going to go into the final step, and it's with the hot glue. We will put something in the bottle to make anti-slip, and that way you can use it and you had less risks to fall. After the hot glue dry, you hardly can see. I said maybe circles, any design you want. and let dry for about 10 minutes. We have here our slippers. I hope so you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe, give like, share with friends and family. Many blessings, and we see you soon.